What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean and cook trout. Time to go fillet them up, then I will show you a very simple but amazing recipe. Alright, let's get into the video. If blood grosses you out, leave now or skip to the cooking timestamp, because this will probably make you throw up. Rather violent, but okay. I'm going to show you guys how to, a few ways to euthanize these fish. So here, this one is basically dead. Now, one way, a very common way, is to just simply slit their gills and let them bleed out. Now, this one is already dead, so we probably won't get much blood out of him. You don't have to worry about doing any damage to the heart or to any of the head part, because we get rid of that anyways. So just to cut the gills like so. Again, this one isn't bleeding, but if he were alive, he would be bleeding out a lot more than he is now, and yeah, he would die. Another technique to euthanize them is to straight up knock the crap out of them. And I don't mean with multiple hits, I mean one blow over the head. You see, he's breathing right now, and just, he's dead. Told you, it's violent. He's nerves right now, but yeah, he's dead. So you just simply, again, you can punch him like this, but then you run the risk of scraping your knuckles up. So I just like to just take the fist and he's dead. This is the most humane way to put them out. If I let them just die and run out of oxygen, then they would suffer a lot more than if I did what I just did right there. So yeah, it's the nicest way to take care of business. Okay, take your fillet knife, put it into the anus.
And put it into the anus?
Yes, put it into the anus, Emily. And then you
no.
Cut up all the way until about here. So there's all his organs and that good stuff. And just no more head. Chop his head off. Should be doing this on a cutting board, but whatever. Okay, so and then you clean this, this part out, all the organs and stuff. Then once you start to get that all cleaned out, you'll see there's this part here. I think that's either some sort of spinal fluid or like poop or whatever. But you just take your thumbnail. Don't be afraid to get your fingers dirty. That's kind of the point. If you're watching this video, you need to not be afraid to do things like this. But yeah, take your thumb and just scrape it out. Normally I'd have water with me. I have a hose to clean this out, but I'll take this to the sink after a bit. But yeah, you cut that, and I'm trying to think. Oh yeah. Now that you've got him gutted, like this, you take your knife and you go along the spine, or not the spine, I apologize, the ribs, and you just cut along the rib cage like that. You got a nice, I'm not the best at it, but mostly boneless fillet. This is a very small fish, still mostly boneless. And then some of this stuff here, I always just take the knife to it and cut out some of that extra. Repeat on the other side. A bit of a hatchet job here. It's been a very long time since I've actually been in practice of filleting fish, but the hatchet job won't ruin the taste. So basically what you want to do first is get the pan warm, put butter in there, let it melt around, then you take your seasoned salt and you sprinkle it all over the fish, the fillets, and your little scraps if you suck like me, and you put it in the mix. You mix it around, And with these little scraps, they'll start to get the salt and the butter on them, and they actually turn out better than you'd think they would. Yeah, so I'll do that off camera because phone's about to die, but I will show you guys what the end result is. So you know it's done when there's no more pink and it's about a golden brown, or on some of the smaller pieces that are even white. Yeah, basically once all the pink's gone, you know you're good and you're just about ready to enjoy all of it. Alrighty guys, that is it for the video. Hope you guys found this helpful. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay positive, God bless you, and hopefully I'll see you guys in that next video. Peace out.